We need to listen our customer, we need to listen our passenger, and we need to catch all the expectation that they want. Deliver what we think is the most important for their travel, comfort and the beauty of flying ITA Airways. The A350 retrofit campaign was meant to align all the 350 with the same standard and configuration of the complete fleet. We decided also to insert the premium economy in our cabin.
Airbus worked with ITA Airways to define the premium economy cabin during the definition of their A330neos. More recently, we've worked with them to retrofit premium economy on their A350s. We see a clear trend for cabin segmentation, including premium economy. It's an obvious way to optimize the cabin revenues.
Now the 350 will have three-class configuration, business, premium economy and economy, which is completely in line with all the rest of the fleet.
We can team up with line fit teams to develop new solutions that we implement in a cabin. We work together with partners and we manage this in one hand to keep time, cost and quality under control.
At Cabin Zero, we are testing the full integrated cabin. We are not only just looking at one individual equipment, but how it all works and functions together. We want to make sure not only that we are certifiable, that we are airworthy, but we want to make sure we provide the right standard.
For normal people, it looks simple to modify an aircraft. So we decided to draw all this design on a paper first, and then we use all the tools in order to see.
Using facilities like the CDC in Hamburg or the mock-up center where I am here in Toulouse, we can test every aspect of the passenger experience, but also optimize the layout. Using our projection rooms or physical mock-ups, we can help the customers, help airlines test their future cabin, which really helped us to maximize the revenue space in the passenger cabin.
So at the Airbus Kit Factory, we receive all the components that are needed for our upgrades. This is where all the different stages come together.
It's a passion, and that's what drives us. The people that work for us, they previously developed that aircraft. They're working now on the cabin upgrades on that aircraft they really were in the design of.
The A350 retrofit campaign has achieved all the target that we had in mind. Our customer will experience the same travel whatever aircraft they will choose. And we found that the partnership and the capability of Airbus a key success element. We trust each other, and this is the result of an excellent A350 retrofit campaign.